Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face mask that was recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Materials you will need are cotton fabric, thread, pins, bobby pin, measuring tape, scissors, and elastic. If you are making several masks, I recommend to create a template to cut your fabric. Mine is made from a cereal box. Cut out 2 rectangles of cotton fabric 10 inches by 6 inches. Place fabric pattern down, then place the second fabric face up on top. You will sew the mask as if it was a single piece of fabric. Fold over the long edge 1/4 inch and pin in place. Sew along long edges on both sides. Trim loose thread from the mask. Now fold the short edge 1/2 inch on both sides and pin in place. Sew each side, leaving an opening for the elastic. Measure and cut 2 elastic pieces 6 inches long. If you don't have 1/8 inch elastic, in a pinch you can cut a wider elastic in half. You may also use rubber bands, string, or strips of cloth. Tie one end of elastic to a bobby pin to help guide the elastic through the mask. Once the elastic is threaded through the mask, tie the ends in a knot. Gently pull on the elastic so the knots are tucked into the hem opening. Gather the sides of the mask on the elastic and adjust so the mask fits your face. Then securely stitch the elastic in place to keep it from slipping. This is what your finished mask should look like. Remember, your mask should fit snugly on your face, and make sure it covers your nose and mouth. Make sure you can still breathe through it, and wash mask after using in the washing machine. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs.